Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to RBC online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. In the web address box at the top, type in www.rbcroyalbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go to the top right hand corner from the main homepage and click the sign in button in yellow. You'll be able to see a login area popping up in the display on the right hand side. Enter your client card number or your username associated with your online banking account in the text box. You can type in any one of them. If you'd like the system to remember your client card or your username information, check this little box right beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you've forgotten your username, click on Recover Your Username link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you've not registered yet or enrolled in online banking for RBC Royal Bank, click on Enroll in Online Banking and follow the registration process in order to get online access of your bank account for RBC Royal Bank. Once you click the next button, on the next page, you'll need to type in your password associated with your online banking account. Type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon. But in case you are having trouble remembering your password, click on Reset Your Password link beneath the Sign In button and you'll be able to reset your password by following the on-screen prompts. After entering your password correct, click the Sign In button in blue and that way you'll be able to get access to your RBC Royal Bank account right away. That was how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.